cooking day 2. These are the ladies that help us with our water. Site this morning just to make a quick run to check on the decking, the concrete work, and then I have a friend who's starting his project not far from here, so then we're gonna go over there and get him started on this building. Okay, I'm gonna go out and see what they did. So at site, I'm checking the decking work to make sure everything was done. So I'm here trying to make sure that it looks good. So this is a good job. We're going to start the block work in about a week. So a little bit of a week, and then we're just gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen. Looks good. Checking the decking work. It's with the rooftop decking. Garage, so I have a lot of entertainment here. Now the 4 bedrooms is up here. So bedroom 1, basically from here and all the way to the back. So that's the master. Master, and then the bath is on the left side. Bedroom 2. Is an ensuite. This closet. A shower, sink. And this is the bedroom. 3 will come from a small hallway here. So I have a bedroom 3. Goes all the way to where the rebar is. And it takes along the wall. Okay, that's the toilet over there. That's the sink. The shower over here. And the wall split in between them. And there will be another bedroom here. I will have the door somewhere here. The entire bedroom. And then that bedroom has basically, it has a shower over there. This toilet. This one with a cap. Sink. And then this sink is for the master, so there'll be one between them. There's a master toilet. Along PVC is ventilation. Master shower. The master shower and bath area is elevated. So I can get more view of the lake. And then this whole side is the master bedroom. So from that rebar all the way to the end, there'll be a closet. A closet somewhere here. Yep.